For what? Everyone is depressed at some or the other point. Why? Because you keep holding on to the thoughts which are to be left there. What will happen? Will happen. Don't keep thinking about problems again and again. Either fight with them or you can just ignore them. You think you are holding those thoughts, but sadly, they are tying you up. So let's see a tale of four stories now. Word has two sides. Now let's have a look at both the ends. One who thinks they are mature enough to understand things and think about love, relationships, and future. On the other hand, the ones who are given pressure at home to marry at a point where they want to run behind their goals and achieve something in life.
I really love her a lot. I don't know whether she loves me or not, but this fear is always behind me. I don't know her love is true or not. My friend had breakup last week. She dumped him for no reason. Sad guy, doesn't know what to do. Will I also end up in the same situation?
Aisha beta, we found a new match for you. Check this photo once now. Please.
I'm not interested, Dad.
Please beta, look at the photo once now.
Please don't try to convince me, Dad. Leave me alone.
This is my problem. I'm not ready to get married right now. But they try to convince me, emotionally blackmail me and what not to get my approval.
A teenager who wants to give his heart to a girl, express his love, but is scared to do it. A housewife who works hard for her family, doesn't get time and love from her husband, wants to question him about this, but is scared to do it. One is scared to tell his feelings, other is scared to ask for care and affection.
Let's meet tomorrow. I would like to tell you something. No. There are two beautiful things in my life. One is Sapna and the other one is my love for her. But I cannot express the second beautiful thing to the first beautiful person in my life.
Hello, Rahul?
I'll call you later. I'm busy now.
I just wanted to tell him that how much I miss him and that how much I love him. Don't I deserve to be loved and cared?
So me, the God, don't believe. Arey, I'm solving your problem. Believe no. The frustration day. So one day you can ask anything to anyone, whatever you feel. But if you ask them the next day, they won't remember anything. Suppose I ask you something, you tell me the answer, only I will remember what I asked and what you told. You will not remember anything. So let's see if you can find solutions to your own problems in this 24 hours. I'm excited.
I'm going to propose that today. Yeah.
I'll put all frustration out and tell Rahul what I feel.
I can't talk about this anymore. I'll just go directly and ask her about this. I'll just clarify about this.
I'm going to tell my parents that I'm not ready and they need to stop searching for matches.
But how are we going to start? Rahul,
What?
please don't go to office today.
Sarah, I have to go today. I have lots of work remaining in the office.
Can't you spare one day for me? Please, only one day, please.
Okay. Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Sapna, to be with you is my Sapna. Please accept my love and make my life more beautiful. You are a shooting star in my empty sky. Gee, shooting star will leave immediately now. Anyways, I'm gonna do the best preparation. And the best preparation is not to prepare anything. Can I call you at 11? Are you free?
Yes. My bad luck. I wanted to tell them something important and now they're in their native. Will I be able to tell them how I feel over a phone call? Why am I thinking as if there's another option? Let me message Dad. Hi, Pa. I'll call you now. Please don't talk anything for 5 minutes. Let me speak first. After 5 minutes, tell whatever you feel. I won't stop you.
How do I start? How will I know if someone is seriously loving me? Fool you are. I wanna just clear this off mind. Even if she tells breakup today, that's okay. She will forget it tomorrow and there's no problem to our relationship.
Just want to ask you something. Are you free now?
राहुल, इधर बैठो ना.
Okay.
I just want to ask you something.
Okay, ask.
I work so hard every day. I prepare food out of love. Wash dishes, clothes. I take good care of home, right?
Yes, you are taking care of everything at home. And you are doing really good.
Don't I deserve some time and love? You are always busy with your work. And do you even remember how many days over sitting together and watching a movie, laughing together for no reason? You never put an effort to spend time with me.
And you think I don't want to? I'm just so busy with my work. You stay home, your job is easy. Just think about me. I have to work the whole day and I come home so exhausted and tired.
So you think my job is easy, right? Then do it. Just for one day. I'll see how you do it.
Yes, it's easy. I'm ready.
Hello, Sapna.
Hi, Pa. Hello, Dushan.
Hi ma, bolo.
Pa, I already told you. For 5 minutes, just let me speak. Don't talk in between.
Bolo beta.
Pa, I'm not ready to get married. I know you have a lot of things to worry about, like relatives' pressure, missing out on a good match, fulfilling your responsibilities, and just becoming free. But I'm just not ready. I want to achieve so many things in life. I don't know what, but I definitely don't want to miss out on the journey. I want to fall, to rise, fail, to learn and learn more. And you get to live only once. I want to make it big. I just don't want to get tied down with relationships now. Marriage and then children and a family. When I think about all of this, I feel I'm running behind a moving bus, which I'm not ready to get into, but I'm forcing myself to. This is not the last bus, right, Dad? Do we have to risk our lives and run behind it? Right now, the most important thing for me is me.
Yes, you're the most important thing in my life, Sapna. Every time I see into your eyes, there is some special feeling. मैं फिल्मी डायलॉग नहीं बोलूँगा कि तुम मेरी सास हो, मैं प्यार के लिए मर जाऊँगा. I just want to spend a lot of time with you, make you laugh, keep you happy. I just love the time I spend with you. तुम्हारे साथ के छोटे moments भी मेरा best memories बन जाते हैं. I won't say that you have to accept my proposal or you won't get anyone better, etc. No, you are really very good person. and we'll always be happy. But my only fear is I'm not able to love anyone more than you. This feeling and the bond I have with you, I don't think so it happens again with anyone else. No pressure. If it is a no, we will be friends. But if it is yes, function hall book karunga. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm cutting call now. Text me or call me later. Hey, remember one thing. Nothing will and can change my feelings towards you.
How are you managing to do all of this by yourself every day?
जंगल का हर जानवर शेर नहीं बन सकता। राहुल, I don't need anything except you. Just spend some time with me every day. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम पूरे दिन मेरे साथ रहो। फ़ोन पे 5 मिनट, सिर्फ 5 मिनट मेरे साथ बातें करो और घर आने के बाद 30 minutes, only 30 minutes, spend time with me. When I'm cooking, just sit there and talk to me. And हाँ, I won't give you any work. ज़िंदगी में छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स ही बाद में बड़े बड़े मेमोरीज हो जाते हैं। राहुल, एक बात मत भूलना, मेरे जीने के वजह तुम हो। और हाँ, इस क्रेज़ी औरत को तुम्हें झेलना ही पड़ेगा।
Okay, done. Every day I am all yours for an hour, and your wish would be my command. And on Sundays I am going to do all the work at home. Okay?
हाँ, सच्ची?
देने वाला जब भी देता देता छप्पड़ फाड़ के कित कित कितना दिखता न दिखना दिखना।
Did I ever do something that my cute Kashina didn't like? Yes, one life. Make it as big as possible. I will proudly stand next to my princess. Keep going. Run towards your goals and ambitions. Fly towards the sky. But remember one thing. Whenever you fall, there is Dad to save you.
But one thing, Ma. I never felt you as a burden or responsibility. You're my world. Even now if you feel you're a burden on my head, then you must be a crown on this poor king's head. Because you bring me respect and I carry you with a lot of pride. अरे अच्छा एक बात बताओ ना, anyway you don't want to get married, इस संडे मेरे साथ डे पे चलोगी? शॉपिंग, बॉलिंग और हमारा फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट में खाना।
Stop it, Dad.
Always stay happy, beta.
I just want to ask you something. Are you really happy
About what?
about our relationship?
Of course. What happened? Don't tell me you're going to break up.
Hey, no. Che. Let me speak, no.
Okay, go on. I won't interrupt.
You know, right? Deepa dumped Roshan. She left him, just not even telling a single reason for him.
Meh, she was like, we can't travel together, Roshan.
She didn't even tell a single reason to come to that conclusion.
We got flight tickets, so left this fellow in bus and said we can't travel together.
I'll ask you something. Promise me that you'll not get angry at me. Please.
Arey, ask fast. I'll punch your face if you get so formal.
From the time Roshan told me his story, I'm just scared. I'm nervous too. I'm not blaming you, okay? If there's someone to be blamed, that's me. I just overthink and make things complicated. I just want to clear this off my mind. Are you really happy with our relationship? If you feel that I'm going somewhere wrong, just tell me. I'll change myself. I know you'll get angry, but I can't live without you. I cannot just imagine my life without you. Tell me something, Shalini.
You think I'm like Deepa? You don't trust me. So where there's no trust, there's no love. So basically there's nothing between us and I'm leaving. So were you expecting this kind of reply? Well, no. I can understand, Sameer. You're just overthinking a lot. Let me tell you one thing. I love you more than anything else in this world. और यही आखिरी बार है, सुन लो, बार बार नहीं बोलूंगी, बार बार इतना ड्रामेटिक मैं नहीं बन सकती. But it's very simple, Sameer. So even if I leave you, you'll just be sad or depressed, but that regret of leaving you will stay with me forever, and it will eat me up from inside. You might think it's easy for people to forget, but दुनिया गोल गोल घूमता है, Sameer, and I will always regret doing that. So, my cute Babu, leave all your doubts behind and trust your love, not mine, but your love. और सच्चा प्यार लोगों को पकड़ के रखता है. ऐसे छोड़ के नहीं जा सकती हूँ. मेरा वीकनेस बन गए हो तुम. क्या करूँ?
Can I tell one word, Shalini? I seriously love you.
I too love you so much. But I can't tell big lines like you. Believe me, I really love you.
What a reply. Wow. It's okay. I'm telling you now itself, I can't say good morning baby, kana kaya baby, oh baby, yeah baby. I can't be dramatic 24/7.
As if I asked you to be.
That's our happy ending to these 4 stories.
We all have masks on our faces at some point of our life. We don't question things, we just move on with it. We don't give time to understand our thoughts. Few masks are to be removed, mainly with the ones who we love. But few masks are to be kept for the sake of living a peaceful life in the society. Remove the right masks. We just have one life, so live it. Be careful with the other masks. Audience, come closer to your screens. I have a secret to tell you. Today is a normal day. Nobody is going to forget anything.